Hello and welcome to the Charter College of Education. This brief tutorial will show you how to make an appointment with an advisor. We'll start from Google and type in calstatela.edu. We will then click My Cal State LA. If you haven't signed in already, please do so now. Notice on the left, we have a Resources option, which allows us to get to our academic resources. Once you scroll down, you can choose your college, Charter College of Education. We have to let them know we are undergraduate. And finally, we can click Student Success Collaborative. Again, log in if you haven't done so. Once logged in, you are now looking at the EAB student homepage. Notice, for an easier way to access, you can just type in calstatela.campus.eab.com and sign in. Moving along, we click Get Assistance on the top right. Now select which type of appointment you will need help with. Next, we will choose the location, which is the College of Education Advising Center, and then finally select Richard Maddox. Once we click Next, we can now see the available time and date slots available. Notice you can book for a future week. Now let's say our ideal appointment is Wednesday at 8:30. After we select Next, notice our appointment has not been scheduled yet. We first have to either allow text messages and email or not, and then write a description of your advising needs. Once done, we can click Confirm Appointment. Notice now we have successfully made an appointment. Now let's say you changed your mind on the time. Here's how to cancel the appointment. Simply click View My Calendar and click the time slot you selected. Then click Cancel My Attendance. Again, you will have to provide why you are canceling and then click Mark as Canceled. Notice an error box came up saying that I did not select a reason for this cancellation. Simply click OK and select a reason before finally marking your appointment as canceled. Feel free to toggle between Home, Mail, and Calendar on the left. Thanks for watching.